Richard's sniffing this plant. He likes it. Harriet's just sitting there, wagging her tail. We're almost home. And now Richie's coming. And now Harriet's coming. Hooray! Come on, cats. Good job. Let's go inside. Let's get some treats. I'll probably watch a little of baseball before bed, but like I said, I didn't sleep well, so we'll probably go to bed early tonight. I got the cats in the morning. I mentioned this in the post, but we're doing a deep clean of the pet food store for the town cats. So it's unclear if the cats will be there tomorrow. It sounds like there might be other people there with me cleaning. They said if you volunteer for a shift, just expect to help with the cleaning. Alright, cats, you want treats? I gave the cats catnip treats. They'll work their way inside soon. Richard's already inside, but Harriet will come in soon.